The World Pilot Gig Rowing Championships is held here on the Isles of Scilly every year. I am a survival instructor at the Defence SEER organisation at St Morgan.
So I'm really proud to be able to represent the RAF in a sport I've done since I was 14, and being posted down here has given me the opportunity to train as a crew throughout the year and be able to enjoy competitions like this and compete for the RAF. I have rowed for 2 civilian crews, one being Charlestown and then the next being Nethergissey. To join up, I sort of left gig rowing when I realised I had a crew. I wanted to make sure that I joined up, got involved. Gig rowing is one of the only sports where the women actually outnumber the amount of men participants, so it's really important.
Working down at the Defence SEER Training Organisation is my first opportunity to work properly with Tri-Service and in FTRS environment as well. Part of the gig rowing team, we've got 3 regulars currently and 3 FTRS. We gel fantastic, we have a really good time together. So the Armed Forces Week is so important to the service to build up exactly what we do in the eyes of the public, not just what the media portray, but what we do beyond that. And to show them the gig rowing in the Isles of Scilly just shows them that we are more than just service personnel. We can do adventurous training, we can enjoy our sport, and it's a whole lifestyle beyond just service work.